guys, we hooked up. Feels like a good fish too, honestly. First cast at the outer portion of the pier, and he was on it, guys. Tighten this drag down a little bit. He's got some head rattling going on too. I'm sure you guys can see that. He's got some head rattling going on too. It feels like a good fish, guys. It's a beautiful morning. Let's see what we're working with here. Oh, little sheephead. Nice little sheephead. First thing in the morning. Nice little sheephead. Look how clean that water is today, guys. That's why I love wintertime fishing. Beautiful, beautiful sheephead. Perfect eating size. One cast, one fish, right? That's the way we like to do it.
Hey guys, here I was using the basic drop shot setup there. 3/4 ounce weight on the bottom with the treble hook about 4 to 5 inches above it. Works really good, especially when you're fishing around structure. You can really cast it close to the structure and work it nice and slow, work it back towards you. Had a lot of luck with that technique.
Not real big, but she'll eat good. She'll eat real good. I'll take it, guys. I will absolutely take it. All right, let's get her off the hook. Okay, guys, we're hooked up again. Not sure what we got on here, but he's got some muscle to him. Yes, sir. Kind of came over fishing a newer area. Man, it looks like another sheephead. We're in a completely different area. I say completely different, but we're in a different area. It's another big sheephead. It's definitely been a day of the sheephead. I went to a Carolina rig. Transitioned over to a Carolina rig for this one. See if there's any flounder, maybe. And those sheephead are on it today, guys. Goodness. So let's get him off. Get him in the net. And we'll go from there. We're stacking up some sheeps today, boys. Stacking up some sheeps. Man, that was another good fight. Shit, I'll let him run. I ain't trying to cut my hand wide open. That. All right, guys, we're hooked up. He come right to top the water. Ooh, this feels like a good fish. Big trout, big trout. Ooh, ooh, yes, sir, yes, sir. Big trout moving up on them flats. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Big, beautiful speckled trout. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! He feisty, man. He's a fatty. Look at that girl there. The trout have arrived, baby. They have arrived, my friends. He's about probably 15, 16, but he fought like he was 18,
guys, I just want to make it clear here. I'm still using a drop shot rig, 3/4 ounce weight, 4 or 5 inches above the weight. Just doing my traditional way I like to fish around structure. Great for sheephead, great for flounder, great for drum. But as you can see here, also wonderful at times for catching speckled trout. Using live shrimp right here.
Because these weight shoes are horrendous.
Okay, guys, I get a lot of questions about that bait float right there. It is on Amazon, 15 to 20 bucks. But I'm gonna tell you something. It's been an absolute amazing tool for me while wade fishing. I used to use the old plastic one. I hated it. The door would break and get stuck. Hey guys, check out that Wade fishing bait float. It's on Amazon. Makes a wonder of a difference. Okay, guys.
It's getting too bad. Guys, we hooked up, baby. Hooked up. Been out here long. That's a good fish right here. Once it really gets your structure, really more trying to key on to some speckled trout today. Really trying to key on to some speckled trout. Good. Way off the structure, to be honest with you. This feels like it's got a little bit of, it's got some, yes sir, it's got some, it's a big sheephead. What surprises me is because I'm way off the structure, guys. Way off the structure, watching this. Beautiful sheephead.
So guys, yeah, pay attention to where I caught this sheephead. Nowhere around structure. I caught him on a drop off where it will go down. I know there's some oyster shells and stuff right there, but it's also a good point that you don't always have to be around structure. A lot of time, a disturbance on the bottom, a ledge, a drop off will hold just as much fish as structure will. The key is finding that spot where them fish are holding. You got to move, but once you find them, you'll get on them.
All right, let's get him off. All right, guys, we are hooked up. Ooh. Okay, guys, we are hooked up, but he's dragging me through these pylons. Oh, let's get him out of these pylons. Let's get him out of these pylons. See if I can get him out of these pylons. Welcome back.
Okay, guys, you can hear me talk about walking away from the structure. One piece of advice I'll tell you if you're doing some wade fishing in and around structure, if you have the ability when you hook up onto a larger fish, try to slowly, gradually work your way away from the structure so when that fish goes to swing, likes to make its run, you have a better chance of it not wrapping yourself around some structure. I try to do this anytime I hook up on a redfish or a larger fish. Slowly work myself back. When they go to make that run and make that big swing, I get them out into the big open football field, I call it. So just a little piece of advice like to pass along. Doesn't always work. Sometimes they beat you to the punch. But in this instance, it worked perfectly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are hooked up again, my big dog. Feels like a red. Yeah. Nice red, guys. Beautiful red. Beautiful red. And he come right to the top, guys. That's a beautiful redfish this morning. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous thing there. Look at that gorgeous girl there. My goodness. Look at that pretty thing there, folks. That's a nice one there, and I was not expecting it. Kind of hit me off guard, to be honest with you. Kind of hit me off guard. Whew. He ran with me into the pylons and stuff. Yes, sir.